This is the number one reason kung bakit hindi ka productive. Today is day 30 of Project Dream Life, and today share ko sa inyo yung isang dahilan kung bakit nga ba hindi tayo nagiging productive. Have you ever felt that feeling na sa tuwing tutulog ka sa gabi, nagagalit ka sa sarili mo? You feel bad about yourself kasi wala kang natapos na gawain. And because of that, nakakaramdam ka ng hatred sa sarili mo. It's been day 30 of Project Dream Life. And alam nyo guys, the main reason why I started this journey, it's because I feel bad about myself. Because alam ko sa sarili ko yung mga dapat kong gawin. Alam mo yun, yung meron ka ng intuition sa isang bagay na kung ano nga ba yung dapat mong gawin to start improving yourself, especially yung finances mo or yung health mo, and higit sa lahat, mentality mo. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang nakakaramdam nun, pero alam ko sa sarili ko the steps on how to make myself better in a short span of time. Naniniwala ako na all the motivations and the knowledge are available. Marami ng influencers na mas nauna sa akin nagturo on how to improve yourself in a short span of time. Pero have you ever wondered kung bakit marami pa din tao ang hindi nasisimulan yung self-improvement nila even though marami ng available knowledge na makukuha natin for free sa mga social media platforms and sa mga influencers na pina-follow natin? That is why I started this journey. It's been 30 days since nag-start tayo, and as of now, marami na din improvement. Like, mas tumaas yung confidence ko, mas nararamdaman ko na mas nagiging productive ako when it comes to producing contents and pursuing my dream as a funnel designer. Hopefully, this will become a way to open more opportunity in the future. And for me, ito yung isang reason na nakatulong sa akin on starting this journey. That is focus. In a fast-paced world and sa dami ng available knowledge and gurus na nagtuturo on how to start a self-improvement journey, all you have to do is focus. Focus ka sa mga bagay na alam mong makakapag-generate ng long-term profit sa'yo, like focusing on yourself, focusing on your mental health, focusing on your physical health, and higit sa lahat, focusing on your financial and career. Alam nyo guys, naniniwala ako na lahat na ng knowledge is available na sa atin. All we have to do is to focus sa kung ano nga ba talaga yung makakatulong sa atin. Stop doom scrolling, or alam mo yun, yung nauubos yung oras mo sa pag-scroll lang. And if you want to start this journey, just comment access and I'll send you a free ebook on about reclaiming your time. This is a free ebook na ako mismo yung gumawa para makatulong sa atin. Mas pahalagahan natin yung oras natin and mag-focus tayo sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa atin. And if you're interested sa mga ganitong content, please like and follow and share nyo na din. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Follow for Day 31.